Forgotten username recovery failed on SoFi Wealth Fix. If you've tried recovering your SoFi Wealth username and failed, most people get this wrong by using outdated information or skipping critical verification steps. The surprising truth is that with the right approach, you can regain access in minutes. Step 1. Open the SoFi Wealth app or website and click Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. SoFi will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders carefully, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails are often filtered automatically, and multiple requests in a short time can temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is inactive, gather verification details such as your full name, date of birth, and recent account activity. Contact SoFi Wealth support directly with this information. Sharing details about linked accounts, recent transfers, or portfolio activity can speed up verification. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, save it securely in a password manager. Enabling two-factor authentication is highly recommended to add extra security and prevent future login problems. By following these steps, you can regain access to your SoFi Wealth account efficiently, ensuring uninterrupted access to your investments, planning tools, and financial insights. Proper verification and credential management are essential for smooth and secure access.